In this guide, I'll show you how to turn off the screen reader or talking voice on your Fire Stick or Fire TV. So the first thing you want to do is scroll on over and we're going to go to settings. Then you want to scroll down and you want to look for accessibility. So I'm going to select that now. And from here, you want to scroll and you want to look for voice view. Now this is the screen reader that has the talking when you're scrolling through the menu and stuff. So you want to ensure that this is turned off, and when it's turned on, it's a little bit of a pain to get out of this. I find that when you select turn off, it almost turns it back on and puts you back in. So what I recommend you do is press turn off a couple times, and you might have to like turn it off and then scroll down quickly, and then eventually it just turns off. So once you've done that, you've turned off the talking voice screen reader, and if you go back and scroll down, there's also audio description, which you can turn off as well. And by default, I think these are turned off anyways. So now when you're navigating through the menu, you should no longer hear a talking voice. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.